Hello YouTube, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Share Knowledge video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to restore default icons and shortcuts in Windows 10, 8, 7 or Windows 11 without any application. Rarely people asking all the icons on the desktop have become same. Restarting the computer does not change anything. How can I resolve this issue? Don't worry, this issue is usually due to a software or application you installed causing a conflict with the file icon cache. Just follow the steps to easily resolve this issue. That is what we are going to do, so watch the video and subscribe channel. Okay, let's start. Open the run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R and then type %user profile %/app data /local and hit enter to open user profile explorer. Keep in mind here, if you cannot see hidden files and folders, don't worry. Simple way to see this, go ahead on and click on view tab at the toolbar on the top. Then you will see more tools. Then click on options button at the right side of the toolbar. It will open a folder option window. On the folder option window, select view tab. On the view tab under advanced settings, select show hidden files, folders and drives. Then click on apply and click on OK. Then you will be able to see hidden files and folders on user profile explorer. Then you should be see this file icon cache. Then right click on it and delete it. After this process, reboot your system. After the restart, all icon will restore into the original form which program they related to. Okay, that's all. I hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching and supporting. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Your contribution is more confidence. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you next video. Bye. Take care.